How to increase download speed in Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you a few adjustments that can genuinely improve download speeds. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the Quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, close out any other apps running in the background that might be using bandwidth at the same time. At this point, long press the Chrome app icon from your home screen or app drawer. Following this, tap App Info. From here, tap Storage. At this stage, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be slowing things down. Following this, back out and tap Force Stop. From here, tap OK to confirm. At this stage, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available and install it if there is one. Once updated, reopen Chrome and try downloading a file again to see if the speed is improved. That's how you increase download speed in Chrome on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials.